I got 5 iPhone productivity tips that I bet you didn't know. Check this out. You can use Siri like as if she's your personal assistant. You can say things like, Siri, remind me to call my love in 30 minutes.
I added call this person back for this afternoon at 12:45 p.m.
Or Siri, remind me about this email in an hour. You can copy text, URL, images, or copy anything from your laptop and paste it to your iPhone, iPad, or even your iMac that's in the same network. And for fun, you could pinch with 3 fingers to copy and into another device, spread your 3 fingers to paste. That's a fun trick. You can share reminders like grocery lists, work tasks, and notes to your team or your family members. And when one person checks it off or edits, then everyone will see it and work together as a team to finish the task. You can share your FaceTime link to Android or Windows users, and they can use that to join the video chat. You can shake your iPhone to undo anything, like when you paste an image, write some text, or delete an email. Share, follow, and like for more.